Hi, my gingers and chilies. Welcome back to my channel Chemistry का बच्चन. Today we are going to do the last colligative properties of solutions and colligative properties called osmotic pressure. अब osmotic pressure पढ़ने से पहले we all have to know what do you mean by osmosis. Now osmosis definition for time saving I have written it on the board. The phenomena. It is a phenomena in which spontaneous flow of solvent molecules occurs towards solution through semi-permeable membrane till equilibrium is going to be attained. Now what does it mean? It means अगर ये एक vessel है and this vessel I have separated it by membrane called semi-permeable membrane. SPM is semi-permeable membrane. It's a membrane which allows only the solvent molecules to pass through it but not the solute molecules. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आप इमेजिन करो सॉल्वेंट है और यहाँ पे सॉल्यूशन है. So the movement will always takes place from solvent to the solution, or it can be a dilute solution, it can be a concentrated solution. So the movement takes place from dilute solution to the concentrated solution, and that is what we call it mainly the osmosis. So osmosis is actually the movement of solvent molecules from one solution to the another solution. ठीक है, मेनली जहाँ पे सॉल्वेंट ज्यादा होएगा वहां से दूसरी तरफ जाएगा जहाँ पे सॉल्वेंट का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कम है. सॉल्यूट मॉलिक्यूल्स इट डज नॉट पास, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड सेमी permeable membrane. Now when we are talking about semi permeable membrane, it allows only solvent molecules to pass through it but not the solute molecules. Second thing, we also have to know solvent which is being the SPM, semi permeable membrane, which is being used in industry is cellophane or copper ferrocyanide. Okay, so over here copper ferrocyanide, so ferro it is, so Cu4. So this is called semi permeable membrane. If you talk about natural semi permeable membrane, then vegetable and animal membranes are also known as the semi permeable membrane. That means your cell membrane in the cell. Then we take one famous example of osmosis, which you can do it at home also. दो अंडे लो, वेजिटेरियन हो तो भी ले सकते हो. Dilute HCl you are going to get it from the market, so take the dilute HCl, or from lab you take it. Dip both the eggs slowly inside the dilute HCl, and after some time, half an hour, remove the outer shell. The shell will go, and membrane below the shell, that is called albumin, acts as a semi-permeable membrane. Okay. Now one of that egg you dissolve it in distilled water, ये भी आपको मिल जाएगी कहीं से भी, एंड egg 2 का आप सैचुरेटेड सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन में डाल दो. मतलब 1 लीटर पानी में कुछ 35 ग्राम्स सॉल्ट डाल दो, सैचुरेटेड सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन में डाल दो. कीप इट ओवरनाइट. यू विल सी इन वन केस द एग इज गोइंग टू स्वेल, मोटा ताजा हो जाएगा, और दूसरे केस में इट इज गोइंग टू श्रिंक, प्लाज्मोलिसिस हो जाएगा, द श्रिंकेज टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर ऑफ द सेल. सो इन अनदर केस इट इज गोइंग टू श्रिंक, एंड दैट इज ड्यू टू ऑस्मोसिस ओनली. अब ऑस्मोसिस के अगर हम लोग कुछ एप्लीकेशंस देखें, सो इट विल बी क्लियर टू एवरीवन that where you have observed the osmosis. First thing, osmosis, when we are talking about, we give water to the plants, mainly to the roots part. What the roots does? Roots are having a property to take this water and it is going to transpire this water to the different parts of the plant. The phenomena is known as transpiration. It is due to osmosis. Yes. वहाँ पे solvent ज़्यादा होता है, solute कम होता है, तो थोड़े ऊपर के टिश्यू में जाता है जहाँ पे solvent कम होता है, फिर वहां से और ऊपर जाता है, and that way it goes to the whole plant only. Germination of seeds are there, lengthening of the plant branches are there, growth of plant is there, blossoming of flower is there. All that are due to osmosis only. कभी कभी आप सोचते हो ये सब्जी वाले शाम को पानी क्यों डालते हैं अपने फ्रूट्स वेजिटेबल्स पे? ऑस्मोसिस, इट गोइंग टू स्वेल अप, फ्रेश दिखेगा, एकदम ताजा ताजा दिखेगा, बिकॉज ऑस्मोसिस टेक्स प्लेस. द वाटर गोज इनसाइड द फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स, एंड व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन? इट विल स्वेल्स अप. गाजर, apple, बहुत सारे फ्रूट्स में आप ये देख सकते हो, ठीक है। एंड थर्ड इज बिगेस्ट एप्लीकेशन व्हेनेवर इंजेक्शंस आर बीइंग गिवन टू एनी ऑफ द पेशेंट, दैट medicine is being dissolved into 0.9% saline solution. What is saline solution? It's a salt solution which is isotonic with your blood. What do you mean by isotonic? Same concentration your blood is having with respect to the medicine. अगर दोनों same नहीं होंगे, then your RBCs are going to either shrink or they are going to swell, and due to that the death of the RBC is concerned, and sometimes it can cause many complications. So saline